Collection.
Hi guys, it's me Kiana, and today on my video I let my biggest sister do her slime collection. So let's get on to the video.
Hi guys, I'm Alicia. I love purple and I love slime. And today I'm going to do my slime collection. So here's all my slime. And my first slime is it's a really pretty slime. It's called Dragon's Fire. It's very nice. And that's for that slime. And this slime doesn't have a smell. Okay, so this one has 3 different slimes. So this is the first slime. It's a holographic slime. It's very shiny. It's very nice. And it's called Disco Balls. My second one is another clear slime. It's just right now it's not clear. It has pink sparkly glitters in it, and it's very nice. And this one smells like cupcakes, and it's called Cupcake. Okay, this one is called Mermaid Tails. It's sparkly. It's a clear base slime. It's very nice. And that's my third slime for this container. Okay. And my next slime is this slime. It's called Evil Fairy Farts. And my sister Kiana, she loves mouth, so she kind of helped me do this. And the evil fairy is Maleficent, Mel's mom. It's a foam-based slime. It's very crunchy, and it's such a nice slime. My next slime, so this slime was supposed to be a butter slime. I know, it's kind of crazy. But this is supposed to be a butter slime. And I added my Model Magic clay, and it melted my slime. So then, I just added some beads into it, and that didn't help either. So now it's just very sticky, and I can't even take it out of the container. The next slime is this slime. I call it Beach Bay. It's a blue slime. It's very nice. It's very stretchy. It's glittery, and this is just a basic glitter slime. Oops. And it's such a good slime. My last slime, this is supposed to be a clear slime. It's not a clear slime, it's not that clear because all the bubbles haven't rose to the top. So I'm still waiting for it, but I still put it in the video because it's still one of my slimes. And that's it for my slime collection. And now Kiana wants to show her slime. She's getting it. Okay, so it's a clear slime. It's just right now it's not that clear because she's been playing with it, and it's kind of dirty because this LOL plate is not clean. And yeah, so hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you think glitter makes everything better.
And subscribe.
See you next time. Bye.